In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Paperform. First, go ahead and log into your Paperform account. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the top right corner and click Create a Form. The page will reload, and after that, you'll see a few ways to begin. Paperform gives you the option to use the AI generator, choose a template, or start from scratch. For this walkthrough, we're choosing Start from Scratch so you can see the core setup process clearly. Once your blank form opens, you can begin adding questions. To do that, click on any empty line in the form. You can either click the plus icon and choose Add Questions, or simply type / to bring up quick actions. Both methods help you insert fields quickly, so use whichever feels more natural. When the question field appears, type your question directly into it. Under the question, you also have the option to add help text. This is useful when you want to clarify what kind of answer you expect or give the user a little more guidance. On the right side, you'll see a drop-down menu where you can change the field type. For example, you can switch from a standard text field to email, URL, yes or no, color picker, and many other input types. It's worth browsing through these options so your form collects information in the most useful format. When a question is selected, the formatting panel on the right gives you even more control. From there, you can change the question type, mark the question as required, place it into a 2-column layout, and turn visibility logic on or off. You can also allow multiple lines of text, set placeholder text, define minimum and maximum character limits, and even enter a default answer. These settings are especially helpful when you want your form to feel polished and easy to complete. Next, click the Theme and Appearance button at the top of the left panel to customize the look of your form. Here, you can choose the form experience, such as one question at a time or the classic layout. You'll also be able to adjust colors for the background, active elements, text, and warnings, as well as set primary and secondary fonts. Take a moment to explore these design settings so the form matches your brand or preferred style. After that, click Configure at the top. This area lets you manage form details, payments, analytics, and overall form behavior. Then if you click After Submission, you can configure emails, success pages, and redirects, paper sign, custom PDFs, and integrations and webhooks. Once everything is ready, click Publish in the top right. After publishing, click Share at the top to access different sharing options, including a direct link, QR code, social sharing, and embed options.